The E205XS is a 20-foot 4-inch outboard-powered boat that offers exceptional control and handling. With its FAST tab hull with vented and reversed chines, keeping spray down and providing stability in turns. This boat is packed with amenities and designed to maximize space and comfort, making it perfect for cruising, fishing, or playing on the water. With plenty of impact-resistant storage areas, this model provides an enjoyable experience out on the water while also being incredibly versatile. Get in touch with C.A.S. Power Marine Limited today to get your own.